All good?
Oh, you have my earring out.
That's alright. All good?
Yeah.
Chop and chop. Alright, so how's everything feeling, training, all that sort of stuff?
Yeah, pretty good. Just like my lower back as usual.
Yeah,
Oh,
alright.
and then the other day when I was not sleeping, I was like, I just kind of turned and then I heard a weird crack in my neck. I don't know what happened, but.
Alright, easy. Alright, cool. We'll get you sitting, we'll go facing that way. We'll test the neck out.
Okay, yeah.
Yep.
I don't think I did anything to it, but it sounded a bit weird.
Alright. Okay. Yeah, and then.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, let that one relax. Okay. So just look to the left. Alright. Just let the head just fold in. Fold in. All good?
Oh, you have my earring out.
That's alright.
Hang on, let me find the back. 1 sec. Uh-oh.
Where are we?
Unless it fell on me.
There you go.
Look for it after.
Okay, we'll look for it after.
That's the gorilla treatment. That's the gorilla treatment.
That's a trap.
That's how good my earring collection. Okay, I'm gonna get that other earring. Just letting the head just fold. And just... Cool. All good?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, get you on your back section. I'll open another one. Do you like this? Yeah, hands in like this. Okay, so I'm gonna hook in.
Oh my god.
Alright. Cool. So keep your elbows forward.
Forward,
Elbows
okay.
forward, yep. So breathe in and out all the way. All good?
Yeah.
To the left. To the right. Alright, on your back for me, thanks. I've had to build my glutes up for that one.
Do you think you have the flexibility to do that?
Oh mate.
You don't look like
I can.
You're like, why is she so tired?
That left ear. That right ear, all the way, chop and chop. Okay, all good? Nicole can actually handle pain. Maybe better than Jeremy. Definitely better than Bernie.
Everyone's like,
Definitely better than Bernie.
maybe I should film it then, Bernie.
Bernie.
I think I should be behind the camera, you know,
Yeah.
and then you should just adjust them.
Yeah, oh yeah, it's happening. It's happening. That can be your side hustle. Marcelo Productions' newest backup filmer. We'll get Jeremy doing the edits and Nicole can do
Yeah. Nicole studied media, so she has a media degree.
Okay. Alright, this one. Just let that one. Just gonna... This one, yeah. All good? Mm-hmm. That leg there. Strong, pushing up. That's good. That one. That's alright. Cool. Alright, I'm bending that. Going in, we'll do a hip flexor release. It's just not testing for. Breathe in. And out. And in. And out. And in. And out. Stone cold. Poker face. Okay, on your tummy, thank you. So how many weeks are we at now?
I think 13.
To go?
Probably actually 12.
12 to go,
yeah.
How's things feeling when you're lifting though? It's sort of still activating okay? Or is
Yeah,
starting to feel a
I'm
bit?
still looking pretty good actually this time compared to like my previous cracks.
Yeah. leg up, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down. And that left one up, and down, and up, and up. Okay, on your actually no, I'll do that one. Do your favourite.
Oh, doing this because I am right.
There we go.
Oh my God.
See, she can handle pain,
Oh
but
my God.
when you know the weaknesses,
I need this one.
infraspinatus loves getting
Oh my God.
worked out. There we go. All right, on your side facing the right.
You can't flip it more.
The other right. All right, this one. Good. Not even a flinch.
I like this one.
That's what you like the infraspinatus more. Shoulder. Cool. Actually, on your back again. Recess your right leg. So, right one up, strong. Left one up, left one's the right. Yeah. Good. And sitting up facing that way. Thanks. So remember, that just always means if it's your right side lower back pathway isn't sort of flowing correctly. Yeah. Okay. And overhead press. And down. All the way. Yeah. And up. And up. And up. And up. Okay. Wrist. This one. Okay. And the finisher. Yeah.
Oh my God.
And this one right there, that's it. That's what you want. Okay, right arm like this. Push. Left one. Push good. Little finger thumb. Little finger thumb. Strong. Good. Good. Beautiful. All good.